Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to fix the Roomba error code 6. Now this is a very common issue. It happens when your Roomba vacuum cleaner is stuck over an edge, or that the sensors are actually blocking out, so that your Roomba cannot detect if it's on a cliff or not. Now it's very easy. All you have to do is move the Roomba to a new location and then press clean. So actually restart the Roomba. Now from there, if you run into a problem where it is just on a clear ground, simply make sure that the cliff sensors are totally clean. So grab a microfiber cloth or a soft cotton cloth and clean these sensors. Now this can probably fix the issue and make your Roomba work again. Now if you can't manage to fix it, contact the iRobot customer care. They will try to help you out. If you still got any questions, leave them down in the comments and I will try to do my very best to help you. But if this helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Most importantly, thank you for watching.